Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.7, Problem 28. This is Section 1.7, Problem 28. It says there are 52 cards in a standard deck of playing cards. A deck of cards has 4 suits: hearts, spades, diamonds, and clubs. How many cards are in each suit? So what we really have to do is 52, the number of cards in the deck, divided by 4, the number of suits, and this will give us the answer. And again, if you have a calculator to do this with, you can just enter it this way: 52 divided by 4 equals, and the calculator will give you the answer immediately. If you don't have a calculator and you want to do it by hand, you would write the 52, write a division, and then 4 outside. 4 goes into 52 how many times? Well, first, the 4 will fit into the 5 just once, and then I do 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4, and then I subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 is a good answer. It's smaller than the 4. So now I go over 1 digit to the right, which is a 2. I bring the 2 down next to the subtraction I just completed, which was a 1. So the 1 with a 2 next to it is a 12. 4 will fit into 12 how many times? 3 times, because 3 times 4 is 12. It fits in exactly with no remainder. So the answer I get for the division is 13. So the question was, how many cards are in each suit? There are 13 cards in each suit. There are 13 hearts, 13 spades, 13 diamonds, and 13 clubs in any standard deck of playing cards.